everyone, my name is Shanae, and I got this new style for all you all. I know you'd be doing the straight look, but this is the new waterfall, okay? And now, this is the style that you do in formal wear only, and yeah, and I don't know, if you see anyone wearing my style, you just, that's Shanae, okay? I mean, look at this, alright? Oh, no you didn't.
Excuse me?